Hey you all, welcome back to Run Coupon Deals. It's Mystery Monday. Why is it Mystery Monday? Well, because I order a lot of things from Amazon and sometimes it's a mystery of what came in so far. So, Mystery Monday, I have a package. So I wonder what it is. I buy a few things because of Run Coupon Deals. I get deals on it, so I'm barely paying anything for these items, and that's pretty cool. So let's see what I ordered. Okay. Yes. We're gonna see about these. Okay, y'all. I got a confession. I am kind of lazy sometimes. So I thought this was perfect. So I wouldn't have to walk over to the wall to turn off the switch. But these are remote operated light bulbs. They change colors and everything. So I'm excited to use this. This is pretty cool. I do have to warn you, you need 2 AAA batteries. Okay, you guys. And now for the big reveal. On button. This is pretty cool. I am impressed. As you see, it has an on and off button. They have several colors that it can turn into. Let's see what fade does. Oh, I like it. I like it. All right, let's see what it looks like in the dark. Yes. This would be a great bedroom light. Let me change some colors. Okay. Okay, there's a button right here. Let's see what it does. Cool, cool. I like it. Mystery Monday? Mystery solved. Go ahead, make sure you get this on Amazon and make sure you're using the Run Coupon Deals coupon to get a discount. See you next time.